All right, so we're gonna take this thing for a little drive so you can see how quiet it is and just what the overall feel is with the drive. You can see here it's got the towing package. We have towed a lot with this thing. So just put on my seatbelt and we'll get rolling. So, and again, you can see the backup camera here that we had put in. So, I mean, a Suburban like this with a backup camera and Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth, and it's in this good condition. I mean, I would never have sold this if I didn't need something different for a different purpose. But the car is just fantastic. Drives so smooth, plenty of torque, you can tell. The V8's nice and smooth. It's just all around a wonderful, wonderful car, a well-kept car. We're very proud of how well we kept this thing. But you can see, I'm gonna stop talking for a little bit so you can hear how quiet the engine is. I've really, in the past, year and a half, 2 years that I've had it, I've really driven it just a little under 3,000 miles. I used it as a weekend recreation vehicle, so it's very rarely been driven in the last few years, but it's been kept and maintained very, very well. And when I drive it, it's usually highway miles. I'll throw in my bikes and, you know, go to the beach or something like that. So it hasn't been used very rough. It's just an overall wonderful shape. I think it'll be very challenging to find a Suburban that's in this type of shape from this era. I do want to point out it is a two-wheel drive. It's not a 4x4. And it is the 1500, the LS model. Just a very, very smooth car all around. We'll take it here for a little bit and on the highway this thing drives very, very nicely. It's been very reliable too, and mechanically speaking, I serviced everything recently, including, I think I said in the other video, complete drop pan service of the transmission, so it runs incredibly smooth, shifts incredibly smooth. Just whoever ends up buying this will just have a wonderful car in their hands. So I'm gonna pull over right here, give you one final look at the outside.